If you've got a Word document and you need to share it with a colleague, do not send it as an attachment. Instead, click on the Share button, choose a colleague, and hit the Send button. And when your colleague receives the email, although it looks like an attachment, it is in fact just a hyperlink to your OneDrive location. And in Outlook, you should also stop sending attachments. Instead, you should click the link button and all of your recent files will be listed. Choose a file and send the email. If you want to impress your boss with your PowerPoint presentation, do not send it as an attachment. Instead, click the Share button, copy the link, and paste it in an email. If you're in File Explorer and you want to share a file with your team, try moving it to OneDrive first. Then, in OneDrive, guess what? You need to stop sending attachments. Instead, you need to click this button up here, type the name of your team, and click the Send button. If your file is already in Microsoft Teams, can I suggest that you stop sending attachments? Instead, select the file, hit the Share button, and send it as a link.